भगवते वासुदेवाय श्लोका 18 दीक्षिता नारदे नाथ दत्तम् आसनम् उत्तमम् कुमारा वन्दिता सर्वैः निषेधु कृष्ण तत्पराः दीक्षिता नारदे नाथ. That means the Naradan is the is inviting everybody for the Saptangam. So, Dikshida, the Narada is offering the homages to whoever is coming as guest. Dattam Asanam Uttamam. That means they are giving the seats to sit, which is like paying respect to them. So Narada Muni is calling everybody and offering the seat according to their position by giving respect and offering the seats to listen to Bhagavatam. Kumara Vandida Sarvaihi. Kumaras means the Sanat Kumara and the brothers, the four Kumaras of Brahmadeva. Vandida means he showed his respect, seeking the blessings. Sarvaihi to all of the four brothers. Nishedu Krishna Tatparaga. Nishedu means everybody already initiated, being seated to listen to the Saptangam. Krishna Tatpara, those who were thoroughly devoted to Krishna Bhagavan. Dikshida Narade Nada Dattam Asanam Uttamam Kumara Vandida Sarvaihi Nishedu Krishna Tatparaha. That means the Kumara sages, the Sarat Kumaras and his brothers, who were already initiated and were thoroughly devoted to Krishna Bhagavan, were offered excellent seats by Narada and were paid homages by all occupied their seats. दीक्षिता नारदेनाथ दत्तमासनमुत्तमम् कुमारा वन्दिता सर्वैः निषेधु कृष्णतत्पराः ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय.